afternoon. Today, the demonstration I'm going to show you is about how to chop up an onion safely. This one is a good one, especially working with children, and it's a really good starter point for them when they're learning how to cook. As you can see, onions are round, so it's really difficult because anything round is just going to move, so it's difficult to chop. So what we say is, using the claw position, hold your onion on the board safely and then just cut straight down the middle. As you can see, with the onion you'll have the root at the bottom. This is really good because it gives you something to hold on to. What we're going to do now is just take the knife and slice down the middle, but really not all the way to the end to the root, because you want to get the brown out the way. So then you're just going to peel that back, and again we haven't gone all the way down to the bottom, so we've still got some way of holding it to keep it safer. Then we're just going to trim off the little top bit there, and then we're going to slice, but again not all the way down, the onion like so. Turn it round, and then you're just going to dice the onion. And when you're near the bottom to where you've sliced through, you can then just turn it over and chop the last bits off.